מערכת משיבון קולי. נא הקישו את הסיסמה על התא הקולי. לעברית הקישו 1. For English, press 2. Hello and welcome to the voicemail. This is a special instruction session for new subscribers to the service. First, we will define the voicemail for your personal use. First, we will define the voicemail password. Every time you want to access your voicemail, you will be required to enter the password. Remember to choose a number you can easily remember and that others won't be able to guess. Please enter the new password. The password must be The new password is 7456. To confirm, press 1. To modify, to record a personal intro, press 1. To record a voice signature, press at the tone, record the intro. To end, press pound. Your regular intro is. To save the intro, press 1. To re-record, the regular intro has been saved. You have one new message. To listen to the voice messages, press 1. To listen to all the voice messages consecutively, press 1. To send a voice message, press 3. To change the definitions, press 9.